Some members in a truss carry no force at all, zero, and you can spot them in seconds. Every zero-force member you identify is one less unknown, one less equation, less work, clearer structure. First rule: look for a two-member joint. If only two members meet at a joint, and there is no external force and no support reaction, both members carry zero force. Second rule: look for a T-junction. Three members meet at a joint. Two of them form a straight line, and there is no external force, load, or reaction at that joint. In this case, the member forming the T's leg carries zero force. Third rule: let's return to the two-member joint. This time, there is an external force, a load, or a reaction, but it acts exactly along the direction of one of the members. In this case, the other member carries zero force. There is one more useful case. If a member connects two pinned supports, this member is zero force. And these are not the only cases. As structures become more complex, zero-force members become connected to deeper ideas: load paths, shear transfer, and structural behavior. But these simple rules already allow us to simplify many trusses almost instantly. Now, look at this truss again. At first glance, it seems complicated, but now we can immediately recognize multiple zero-force members. Under the current loading, the highlighted members carry no force. So these members can be removed safely without changing the force distribution in the rest of the truss, and suddenly the structure becomes much simpler. But in real structures, these members are not useless. Under different loading, they may become active, and even when they carry no force, they help stabilize the structure and control deformation. This is not a trick. It is structural thinking. Before solving, you simplify. Before writing equations, you look. And this is exactly how we think about structures throughout the course: physics and structures made simple for architects. Not more work, but better decisions. If you'd like to continue building this intuition, the next lessons are on screen now.